Today we will discuss about the synthesis and IUPAC name of phenytoin. Phenytoin is also known as Delantin. This is the structure of phenytoin. Phenytoin is a hydrogen derivatives. The IPC name of phenytoin is 5,5-diphenyl hydrogen, and the IPC name of phenytoin can also be written as 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Imidazolidine, this is the imidazolidine which have 2 phenyl ring at 5th position and 2 keto group at 2,4 position. This is the structure of phenytoin sodium, in which sodium is attached to the oxygen and double bond at 2,3 position. Now come to the uses of phenytoin. It is used as anti-epileptic, means anti-convulsant. The mechanism of action, it's block the voltage gated sodium channel. By this blockage, the reduction in high frequency repetitive firing of action potential. Now the synthesis of phenytoin. For the clue of the starting material, we can break the structure from here. So we can get the starting material. This portion can come from urea and this portion can come from benzyl. So we have to react the benzyl and urea in the presence of NaOH and ethanol. Due to the ethanol, NaOH is present in the dissociated form, so the OH will bind with hydrogen, so the negative charge will develop at nitrogen. So this nitrogen will bind to this electrophilic carbon. So this double bond will come to here and form a negative charge, and the hydrogen from the mixture will come and bind with oxygen and form OH group. Same reaction will take place at another portion, so this intermediate will form. For the next step, pinacol rearrangement reaction will take place. For this, we have to add the acid in the mixture. H plus from the acid will bind to the oxygen, lone pair electron of the oxygen, and form hydronium ion. And in next step, H2O will remove from the hydronium ion and positive charge will develop at this position. Next, 1,2-phenyl shift, the phenyl group will be shifted to this carbon and form this intermediate, and the H plus will create at this carbon. Then this bond will come to this portion and form double bond O, and positive charge will develop at H plus. So by the removal of H plus ion, the phenytoin will synthesize. Double bond O will create. For the synthesis of phenytoin sodium, we have to react the phenytoin with NaOH. The OH of the NaOH will bind to the H and remove the water, and this double bond will come to this bond and form a double bond, and negative charge will develop at this oxygen, and Na of the NaOH will bind to the oxygen and form ONA. By this, we can synthesize the phenytoin sodium. Thank you for watching this video.